Hi guys, thank you so much for all the support you gave my last video. And thank you also for the feedback you gave, it really means a lot. Now today I want to ask you a question, which is this. How are you feeling? Really, how are you feeling? On a scale of from 1 being, I'm in a shitty mood, I'm not excited about going to work, I'm not excited about my day, I don't want to do anything. And 10 being, I am super excited, this is going to be the best day of my life. Today is going to happen and everything, right? So on a scale of 1 to 10, how are you feeling right now? And just mentally write that down because we're going to get back to it. I think that as a superhero, as a hero in general, it's important that you're physically well and also mentally strong. And what that means to me to be mentally strong is that you're in control of your emotions. And I think too often we aren't. Just the other day, I come home from shopping, for example, and I go into the house and my girlfriend, she's sweet and all this, but sometimes she just asks me the craziest things. Here's what she asks me. Can I help do the dishes? What? I'm not gonna do the dishes, are you crazy? I had a long day, blah, blah, blah. And you stop there and you kind of realize, am I flipping out over dishes? I have better things in my life to do than that. And maybe I didn't realize that I wasn't in the best mood already. And there could be a lot of reasons for that, but generally you might not be aware of what's going on. It might be happening on an unconscious level. So like I could go to the shopping and I don't like the lights there and I don't like all the people that might be there as well. There's too many people and there's a big line. So all of these things are influencing my mood a little bit without me actually realizing it. And then I come home and something small can trigger a bad reaction. And that sucks. So I'm going to give you a very powerful tool that can help you to avoid this. And actually it can also help you to get into an even better mood. It's really simple. We did it in the beginning of the video. We noticed how we're feeling. Create awareness about it. And here's what I recommend you do with this, is that 3 times a day, for example, in the morning when you wake up, you check it out, you check yourself and you check your awareness about how you're feeling right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, you do the same thing at lunch, you do the same thing in the evening as well. And if you're having a hard time remembering to do this, what you can do is you can set an alarm on your phone and have it for every 3 hours or every 4 hours, and just as a reminder and saying, how are you feeling right now? And then whenever that happens, just write it down quickly. Because at the end of the day, and at the end of the week, you will know how you are feeling throughout the days. And you will actually see, are you as happy as you expect you are? Or is there room for some improvement? I was doing this on a basis that was every single hour. So I was doing it a lot and I was seeing tremendous results and improvements. And the reason you see improvements with something like this is from something I learned from someone called Eric Edmeades, who was a great speaker and an amazing coach. And I'm a big fan of this guy. So what he talks about is how measuring things and being aware of them actually tends to improve them as well. And the best example that I can give of this is, imagine that you're in a room and without you really realizing, it's quite chilly in there, it's quite cold. One of the first things that might happen there without your awareness is that your teeth will start clattering, or you might start shaking a little bit. This is your body, unaware of your consciousness, is trying to make you warmer. Now the moment that happens, you're going to realize, shit, I'm cold, I should do something. And you might go to the closet and pick up a blanket and put it on, or you might put on some gloves, for example, or just generally get the temperature up in the room to get yourself warmer. And there's a great lesson in that, because just thinking about something and being aware of it, we will consciously or unconsciously start to improve it. And the same thing happens when you're aware of how you're feeling in your emotional state. And you will think of ways to improve it, small steps in these kind of things. Right? And I really recommend you do this, because in the next video, I'll be talking more about how we can do different things with this as well. So I'll be doing a follow-up video with this. And yeah, that's basically it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. And until we see each other again, good luck being a superhero.